Right now, NFTs in total are probably maybe tens of billions in market cap. True or false, you think that it could be a $10 trillion industry by the end of this decade?
If you're expanding it to all the ancillary stuff, no doubt. Like, I'll give you a quick scenario of something that I know is going to happen, and you'll begin to see just how much revenue this could end up driving. Let's say my last company, Quest Nutrition. Let's say that we partnered up. And so health and fitness remains a big thing for me. And what I want to do then is I go to Quest and I say, hey, let's partner on this thing. I'm going to create an AR experience where one of the characters that somebody has bought one of my NFTs, let's just make it Snowbo to keep it interesting. Snowbo shows up at the mall, and through your AR, either your glasses or your phone, you see it. And we could put like a physical sign or something to let people know to take out their phone and look, but you look and you see Snowbo, and Snowbo is, waves you on, you go around the corner, and there is this gigantic mech from the story. You're the only one that sees it if you're holding one of the NFTs in your wallet, and that thing reaches out and offers you a Quest protein bar. Now, it's obviously not real, but you take that and you now have, that is in and of itself an NFT that you now have in your wallet. And then a new line appears on the floor and it walks you to, let's say, a GNC where you can redeem that for an actual bar. And so there's going to be all kinds of partnerships, promotions, things like that will really begin to expand this. And then if you look into, so my brother-in-law is launching a chocolate company called Chocolate. And the thing about this that I think is incredibly interesting is he's working out an NFT strategy that would allow the early adopters the ability to determine what flavors he creates, so that he creates this sort of enclave of people, relatively small group that buy this NFT in order to get into that sort of having massive influence. They become the taste testers. He knows he'll always be running batches for that number of people, and they get to have like a really big influence on the direction that he goes. And so as companies begin to integrate this stuff and give more perks in places that you wouldn't think, like physical, like a food company, that kind of thing, integrating NFTs into that, it really is, it is going to be limited only by people's imagination, because the technology is unbelievable and we're really just scratching the surface.